Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I just got this picture frame, and I tell you why, because I absolutely love this weathered wood look. Now this is an 8x10 frame, and it actually comes in a variety of sizes, but I really liked this one because of the fact of a couple of reasons. One, it can be a tabletop design, was built well so that you're easy to set up or down, and they do that because not only does it have this part that comes back, but it also has a stop to it. Too many of these don't have that, and they over time will warp this piece out, and so this actually has a nice stop, so that's going to keep it there regardless of how you're putting it. It also came with these here, which is really nice. I wasn't aware that it did. And these are nice little picture hangers. You can put this on the wall and just drive that in with a hammer real quick, and it actually has a little tab so that you can then hook it on the back if you're going to hang it on the wall. It lets you hang it horizontally or vertically, however it is that you want to hang it. It does have these nice little clasps here to easily change out any of your pictures that you're needing to. And I've got kids, and so to me, I did not necessarily want to have a lot of glass. This here is actually a really nice piece of plexi that's in here. It does have the mat that will bring this down to a 6x8 size. If you weren't going to use that, then of course you just use this piece here and have the 8x10. And very simply, loving the fact it's got this on here. I mean, this is great because you don't have to worry about the fingerprints or anything like that. You can get a picture frames that have the glass. Simply put your picture out, set it in here. I don't even have to touch it. Drop that in there, put my picture in. If you're going to use the mat, you can easily put the mat in there as well. And there you go. You've got it once and done. The non-breakable because it doesn't have the glass. Nice weathered distressed look. And this will work great for pretty much any photo.